Just as Mark Fisher's capitalist realism argued that it's easier to imagine the end of the world than it is to imagine the end of capitalism, there's a striking similarity to modern schooling. In a sense, we're living with educational realism. It's easier to imagine the end of the world than imagine a fundamental change in K-12 education. And both systems, capitalism and education, directly connected in so many ways, are just a couple hundred years old at most. A drop in the bucket in the scale of human history. However, unlike changing capitalism, the calls to change K-12 education should be a lighter lift. It's an institution that ends for most people at 18 years old. The experience of schooling can be profoundly negative in lasting ways, particularly for marginalized people. And it doesn't even really work to arm students with an awareness of the market capitalism that determines how so much of our society operates. What is it even for, anyway?